I'm going to be showing you how to make slime, but I'm going to be showing you my other slime. This one, shoot, it got connected. Okay, so this is the second slime that I made. Okay, so this is my third slime that I made. So what you're going to need for this is hot water, so your gum can be like this. Gummy bears. See, so you're just gonna put your slimes in there, which is gum. Yeah, but you're not gonna chew it, or you can. It's just I'm not. See, it says this wrapper says, "What a bubble." Are you gonna upload a video on YouTube? So it says "What a bubble," and I'm using this. That was for my third slime, but my video I didn't do it right. So yeah. So this was my third slime, and this was my first slime. It stretches really well. But if I leave a third slime in here, I think it's gonna really stretch this one. But I'll be right back, and I'm gonna be making a new slime. Okay, sorry about that. So I took 5 orbit slimes. I think that's not slimes, gum. I think they're called orbit. I'm not sure yet. Okay, I'm just taking the wrapper off. I'm going to squeeze them all together. Okay, so just pull this one out. So So this slime isn't working as well, it is working, it's just since the water isn't that hot no more. So it's going slowly. So the second slime. So what I'm gonna do is I may get a whole pack of gum. I might put them all together like a colored one, so then I could have more slime. So if that does work, I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna show you my video. So yeah. Sorry my videos are always so long, but this is like my best slime ever. Like, seriously. 2 minutes. Okay, so now you want to knit it. I forgot what's it called. Knit it. Well, you just want to play with it. So I'm pretty sure anybody can make this slime. Just hot water if you got that, and gum. I think everybody has hot water, for sure. Yeah, and if you guys eat gum, you can do this. So of course this is an edible slime. You know, even though you can't eat it, but you can chew it. So. Sorry about the background noise. My brother's watching Lab Rats. See?